Hey makers, welcome to my channel. I'm Little Dom Mom, and today we are going to be doing a scrunchie tutorial. Scrunchies are a great crochet quickie and a great scrap buster. Let's grab our supplies and let's get started. Before we get started, we will need a few things. A crochet hook, yarn, elastic hair tie, optional as well is a yarning needle. For this tutorial, we will be crocheting a flat rectangle. The dimensions of the rectangle that we will be crocheting will be 3.5 by 12 inches. Okay, so to get started, we are going to chain to 15. Okay, we will be double crocheting into the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So right into there. I'm just gonna continue. All right, so once you're done with your first row, we are going to chain 3, turn your work around, and we are going to double crochet into the back loop into the next double crochet. Okay, just like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and continue to crochet. I'm going to leave you here. I'm going to be double crocheting 24 rows. Once you are done crocheting your rectangle, we are going to put the ends together like this, and we're just going to go ahead and I'm going to slip stitch this close right here. Once you're done slip stitching your headband closed right here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to fasten this part off, and we're going to make sure we leave a long enough tail so that we can stitch. We're going to stitch it close around this way. Okay? Once you fastened off this part, go ahead and grab your elastic hair tie, and we are going to start stitching this close. So I want this part to be my wrong side, and this is going to be my right side facing. So I'm going to stitch it up like this. So I'm going to try to match up my rows together the best I can. And I'm just going to keep my elastic band in there and just seam this together. Try not to pull it too tight because we don't want it to bunch up. Okay, so once you're done stitching up around the edges, go ahead and fasten off and then just weave in your end. And then just snip that off. And then you're all done. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Makers keep making.